Well, here we are, round 3 of the storm. Now it's snowing pretty steadily. We're at the corners of Columbus, Circular, and Robbins. Had a guy was stuck right here a few minutes ago. Got him to go where he had to go. That's looking all the way down Robbins Avenue. I do not like standing in the middle of an icy road, but here I am talking. It's like, oh, we got that empty coal train before this shit set in. This is our first snowstorm of the season. There's Upper Robbins Avenue by 92 Circular, and there's the other end of Columbus Avenue by the projects. And boy, I'll tell you right now, at least it's beautiful out here. It'll clean up all the bad crap in the atmosphere. Guys trying to pack up. Getting the hell out of his way.